You hit send, and seconds later, your message lands in the right inbox, anywhere on Earth. The quiet system behind it is DNS. DNS is the Internet's phone book. People use names, computers use numbers, IP addresses. DNS translates one into the other instantly. Every domain is a hierarchy, read right to left. The root, a top-level domain like com, the domain itself, and a subdomain like mail. That last part matters because mail gets its own records. When a name needs an address, a resolver walks that hierarchy, the root, the top-level servers, then the domain's own authoritative servers, until it has the answer in milliseconds. So, how does DNS route your email? Your server asks one question: which server accepts mail here? The MX record answers, lowest priority number first. Look up any domain, and its MX records reveal who runs its mail: Microsoft, Google, or its own servers. But email was built with no proof of identity. Anyone can pretend to be anyone. So DNS carries the proof in 3 TXT records. SPF lists the servers allowed to send mail for a domain. Mail from anywhere else doesn't pass. DKIM adds a tamper-proof signature to every message and publishes the matching key in DNS, so the receiver can confirm the mail is genuine and unchanged. DMARC ties it together. It checks that SPF and DKIM line up with the address you actually see and tells receivers what to do with fakes: nothing, quarantine, or reject. So here's the whole journey. DNS routes your mail with MX and proves it's real with SPF, DKIM, and DMARC. Send a forgery and all 3 fail. For one domain, that's a quick check. For thousands, it's a full-time job. The DNSai enterprise platform watches every domain you own, every mail and security record, and flags the moment one breaks. DNSai, DNS intelligence at scale.